Hello friends, welcome to your channel FINOMENT. Today we will be discussing the best mid-cap stock you can invest for the year 2022, and these stocks are available at very attractive valuations. So let's start with one by one stocks. So on the first number it is coming LNT Group, Larsen and Toubro Finance Housing Company. It is short form, it is called LNT FH. So current price of this stock is presently 82 rupees and the 1 year high of this stock is 113. So now this stock has been corrected around 28% from its high, and the 1 year low was just touched 65 rupees in the recent time only. The market cap is very good. It is mid cap stock, that's why it is 20,150 crores. The P ratio is very attractive, that is only 21. It is just trading at 21 PE, whereas sector P is very high, that is 57. So it is far away from the sector P. So it is very attractive stocks to buy. Next stock, it is government company, that is Mahanagar Gas Limited. In short, it is called as MGL. Presently, it is trading at 980 rupees and the 1 year high is 1285 rupees, and it is corrected around 25% from its recent high, and the 1 year low is 855 rupees. The market cap is very attractive, that is 9,500 crores, because it is mid cap stock, and P is very superb, that is it is trading around 11 P, whereas sector P is very 30. So it is very undervalued stock, so you can consider these stocks for the medium to long term horizon. On this third category, Exide industry, these stocks pertain from the auto ancillary sector, and the reason for selection of this stock is it is now entering into a EV, that is electronic vehicle, where this stock company manufacture the batteries, so it will play a crucial role in the electric vehicle also. So presently it is also supplying the batteries to the two-wheelers. Now currently this stock is trading at 180 rupees and the 1 year high of this stock is 220, and it is trading around 20% low from its recent high, and the 1 year low is 155 rupees. The market cap of this stock is around 14,900 crores and the PE is also very attractive, that is 18, whereas sector P is 20. So these stocks are available at very attractive PE, so you can consider around 20-25% return for the 1 year horizon. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel FINOMENT if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.